Namaste everyone, welcome to Hindi University. Really excited to have all of you join this Sunday. As you know, my name is Ashutosh and we meet every Sunday 8 a.m. US Pacific time, which is time on the west coast of the US, to learn about the Hindi language. For those of you who are new to Hindi University, you can learn more about us by going to our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/Hindi University. Um, you can also go to our website, which is hindiuniversity.org, and find out all the details about how you can join the Sunday classes that we have. In addition to the Sunday classes, we have over 10 plus practice sessions throughout the week. So based on your availability and your level, you're welcome to join any of the practice sessions. I share a little bit of information with you all on this page about HU. And for the Sunday class, all you need is a good Wi-Fi connection, internet connection, and you can use the Zoom link to join the class. And if you missed any of the previous classes, you can watch the recording of the previous classes on the YouTube channel. And for we have private WhatsApp community, which is only for the people who've been regularly joining. But regardless, you can enroll, to the HU WhatsApp community using this link. Okay. A little bit more information. So as you know, this year we've been following two books. First one is Pingu Learns Hindi, which is book by the Hindi University, and the second one is the Primer of Modern Standard Hindi by Professor Michael Shapiro. Okay.